Hi guys, welcome to another beginner tutorial where we will model a mystery box. So let's get started first. Delete the cube. Now press Shift A to add a cube and press Tab to enter Edit Mod. Now drag the cube to the cursor by pressing GZ and scale it down. You can scale it down by pressing G or by pressing N. Then a tab will open on left side of screen in Object Mod and you can scale it down by decreasing the dimension values there. Now press Alt-Z to enter X-ray mod and select all edges. Then press Ctrl-B to bevel it a little, then select all the middle faces, and then press Alt-E to extrude it inwards. Then scale it down a little. Now select all the vertices on the outer side of the faces, then bevel it a little by pressing Ctrl-B. Now add a subdivision modifier in Modifier tab of level 2. Then add edge loops by pressing Ctrl-R, then drag the loop by pressing G twice near the end. Edge and the mystery box is done. Hope you enjoys it. We will meet in tomorrow tutorial. Bye for now and make sure to support me. Thank you.